Bigyan mo kami ng chimes, Mr. Daddy. Said it happened last night, about 10 to 11, when I first laid eyes on you. We're standing in line into Club 777, and it's just like heaven when a dream come true. We're standing in the right place at the right time. You didn't say who, girl, caused the crime. You're my pretty little Ehu girl who made me a fool in love. Got my heart twirling the world, and now it needs cooling off. You set my heart on fire. Now I don't know what to do. You set my heart on fire. Now I'm so in love with you, my Ehu girl. Said I'm feeling it now, something I've never felt. My heart's so hot, I think I'm gonna melt somehow. I wanna see you again, my love, sent from above. Oh yeah, beautiful girls, oh yes, I've seen a few, but out of all the beauty in the world, there's no one quite like you. 'Cause you're my pretty little Ehu girl who made me a fool in love. Got my heart twirling the world, and now it needs cooling off. You set my heart on fire. naman yung assistant namin, ha? Tignan niyong mabuti. Kung sinong assistant. Say hi! Thank you, Gabs!